Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the game is not loading, or if the game is stuck on loading, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to simply restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game and then check. Now the next step is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder. Now for this, make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now over here you can see the game exe file. Make a right click on the game exe file, select properties, and then go to the second tab, put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, hit apply, click on OK, launch the game and then check. Still not working, make a right click and then go to properties once again, and then put a check over here and then select Windows 8, hit apply, click on OK, launch the game from here. Still not working, select Windows 7 over here, hit apply, click on OK, and then launch the game from here. Still not working, then put a check on disable full screen optimization, hit apply, click on OK, and then launch the game and then check. Now still not working. In that case, when you put a check on all these boxes, if it's not working, in that case you can uncheck these boxes, hit apply, click on OK, and then follow the next step. Now the next step is to, now if you're using any third-party antivirus program, so if you have any antivirus program like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. Now if you're using Windows security, in that case you can open Windows settings and then go to privacy and security in Windows 11. In Windows 10 you will have an option update and security. Now click on Windows security and then click on virus and threat protection. Now scroll down, at the end you will see manage ransomware protection, click on it. Now click on allow an app through control folder access, click on yes to allow, and then click on add an allowed app. Now click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So if the game is installed in C drive, open C drive, program files x86. Now open the Steam folder. Now open the Steam apps folder. Now open the common folder. Now over here you will see the game folder. So open the game folder and then select this exe file and then click on open. Once the game is added, now type in control panel in Windows search box and then go to control panel, click on system and security, Windows Defender firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall, click on change settings on the top, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then go to the game installation folder once again and then open the game folder. So open the game folder, select the game exe file and then click on open. Now click on add. In my case the game is already added. So once the game is added over here, now you can launch the game and then check. Now the next step is to perform a clean installation of your graphics driver. This is important. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. So go to NVIDIA website and then select a product type. For me it's GeForce Experience, so I'll select GeForce. Now for product series, select your series. So make sure that you select your series and select your graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here and then select the right operating system. So if you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. And this is game ready driver. Now click on search and then click on download. Now once the download is complete, run the exe file. So click on download once again. And once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Now once you run the exe file, click on agree and continue, and then put a check on the box which says custom, and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check on perform a clean installation and then click on next and let the installation complete. After the installation, restart your computer and then you can launch the game and then check. Now the next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. Now for this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then go to graphics settings and then click on browse over here and then go to the game installation folder once again and then open the game folder, select the game exe file and then click on add. Once the game is added, click on options, select high performance. Now click on save. Now launch the game and then check. Next step is to try DX11 or DX12 in launch option. So for this, make a right click on the game, select properties, and in the launch option type in -DX11 and then you can launch the game and then check. Now still not working. Let me close the game. Still not working. In that case, you can make a right click once again, select properties. In the launch option you can type in -DX12 and then launch the game and then check. Still not working. In that case, you can remove this and then follow the next step. Now the next step is to verify the game files. Now to verify the game files, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And once the verification is 100% complete, then you can launch the game and then check. Now the next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website, you will see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. Download x86 and x64. So download x86 file and then run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see install option, click on install. In my case, it is already installed. I already installed it. So here it's telling me to restart my computer. So in my case, it's already installed. Ignore the error. Now download x64. Now click on it and then run this exe file. Again, if you see repair, click on repair. If you see install, click on install. In my case, it's already installed. It's telling me to restart my computer. Once it is done, once both the files are installed, then you have to restart your computer. Click on restart. Restart is a must after this, and after the system restart, you can launch the game and then you can check. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. Now this is important. So open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update or Update and Security and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can launch the game and then check. Now the next step is to unplug. If you have any kind of racing wheel, external devices like HOTAs, pedals, so disconnect all the USB adapter or external devices which is connected to the computer. Disconnect additional controller connected to the computer. Disable Steam overlay. Now for this, you can make a right click on the game and then select properties and then go to go to the general tab, and over here you can see enable Steam overlay while in game. If this is on, turn this off and then launch the game. Also close all the other overlay applications. So if you want to use Discord, you can go to Discord settings and turn off overlay in Discord. If you want to use GeForce Experience, you can turn off the overlay in GeForce Experience, or you can close all the overlay application and then launch the game. Also close all the overclocking application, like if you have MSI, Afterburner, ReverTuner, or any kind of overclocking application running, close it and then launch the game. To perform clean boot, you can type in system configuration in Windows search box and then go to system configuration. Go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. So first of all, put a check over here and then click on disable all. In my case, this option is grayed out. I already did it. In your case, this would be highlighted. So make sure you first of all put a check on hide all Microsoft services first and then click on disable all and then click on apply and then click on OK. You will see a restart option. Restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to remove the undervolt. So if you have undervolted your computer, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Next step is to increase the virtual memory. So to increase the virtual memory, type in View Advanced System Settings in Windows search box and then click on View Advanced System Settings and then click on the first settings and then go to Advanced tab and then click on change over here and then select the drive. So uncheck the box which says automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Uncheck this box and select the drive where the game is installed. So select the drive and then once you select the right drive, now put a check on custom size, and for initial size it's 1.5 into total RAM. So you can check the total RAM in Windows settings. You can go to system and then go to about, and total RAM in my case is 16 GB. So you can calculate accordingly. In my case it's 16 GB, so I will calculate as per 16 GB. So, and first of all we have to convert 16 GB into megabyte. So we will open calculator. So type in calculator in run box and then click on OK, and over here it's 16 1.5 into total RAM. Total RAM in my case, it's 16 RAM, 16 GB. So 116 into 1024. 1024 is actually 1 GB is equal to 1024 megabyte. So 16 GB in megabyte will be 16384 into 1.5. 1.5 into total RAM. This is my total RAM in megabyte. Now 1.5 into total RAM that is into 1.5. So in my case, initial size is 24576 and maximum size is 3 into total RAM. Now total RAM in my case, that is 16 gigabyte. I have 16 gigabyte of RAM. So 16 into 1024, I have converted this in megabyte. Now that is 3 into total RAM. So total RAM is this much into 3, that is 49152. 49152. Now click on set over here, then click on OK, apply, OK. Now restart computer. Make sure that you restart your computer after this. Now the last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So if nothing is working, you can make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on uninstall. And after the uninstall, go to the game installation folder and then delete the game folder, restart your computer and then reinstall the game to C drive. So if the game is installed to external drive like D drive or E drive, try to install the game to C drive and then check. If the game is already installed in C drive, in that case you can try to install the game to another SSD and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the game running on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.